Meet my lovely, cute dog. I mean our dog. Jaja. And the cat is just saying that thing. Okay, yeah. Jaja! What are you doing? Oh. Look at me. Oh, she don't want. Oh, she is so cute. You know that? Look closely. You didn't know? She loves Justin Bieber and Taylor Swift. That's why her name is Jaja. Meet her anyway. Bye-bye, Jaja!